today we're gonna review Kuruthi. Kuruthi is a Malayalam language film directed by Manu Warrior and it is produced by Prithviraj Komaran and it stars Prithviraj and Rishabh Mathew and Murali Gopi in pivotal roles. It is now streaming on Amazon Prime, so if you want to watch this film, so you can watch this on Amazon Prime. So coming towards the main plot or the synopsis of the film. So the film is based on a killing. So it's based on an individual or a guy that has unfortunately or out of some fear or hatred or anger, whatever it was, he has killed a guy, and now he is running away from the guy, from another person who is about to kill him. So he is now with a policeman who has taken him as a prisoner, and they are now seeking refuge to a person who is a Muslim, which is played by Rishabh Mathew. So this is how the film surrounds. And the guy that wants to kill that specific individual is Prithviraj, who is actually the main lead of the role and also the producer of the film. So this is how the film is based on. And now we'll talk about the narrative, the political narrative of the film. So the film is actually based on two, what we can say that, two separate communities like Hindu and Muslim. But if you see throughout the film, you don't feel as in that we are watching two separate communities or two separate narratives in a film. And it is so masterfully directed by Manu Warrior. I mean, it's an amazing, the screenplay is so good, and the characters, the characters have been written so well, whatever the characters are. I mean, apart from the lead roles, or if you include the lead roles as in Prithviraj or Rishabh Mathew or Murali Gopi, or even the other characters, and Srinidha also, the female, and Mamukaya as the other pivotal role that has been played in the film. So all of them have done an amazing job. So if you see the political context or the social narrative of the film, so you'll be surprised as in how they are all interconnected with each other. So it's an amazing film. And coming back to the performances, as again Prithviraj, he has done an amazing job. I mean, this guy has evolved over the last 2 decades. I mean, as an individual who started his career in the late 90s, I believe, or early 2000, and now he has done some amazing films. So Cold Case, unfortunately, was a bit of a letdown, which was also released on Amazon Prime a few months back, but he has made an outstanding or an astonishing comeback in this film. And he has led from the front, being the producer again. If you see the political context or the social narrative of the film, so you'll be surprised as in how they are all interconnected with each other. So it's an amazing film. So apart from that, Rishabh Mathew, this guy is so consistent. Last I saw him, I think it was in See You Soon, and now this. So amazing. And I specifically want to point out Murali Gopi. He improves films after film after film. I mean, he was in Drishyam 2, and then again in 1 starring Mammootty, and now here. So brilliant actor and always leads from the front. I mean, if you give him a supporting role or character role, so he'll make his presence felt. That's so special about him. So for me, apart from Prithviraj, he stood out. I think he was on par with Prithviraj, Rishabh Mathew or Murali Gopi, if not stood out. At least for me, he's my personal favorite. He's become my personal favorite. Amazing actor. And apart from that, the music and cinematography of the film, they are too good. I mean, if you see the film, there are hardly any flaws. If you see the editing or character development or music or cinematography, all top notch. So credit to the whole team, the whole production team, and they have done an amazing job. And you would be surprised scene after scene after scene. I mean, and specifically the climax. If you see that film, so you will be surprised. There are many shocking or surprising moments, like what we call as OMG moments. So I hope you'll definitely like this film. And if you do want to watch this, so don't waste any time and watch it ASAP on Amazon Prime, because there are many other films about to release this week on that specific channel, I mean Amazon Prime. So you should definitely check it out. And if you like my review, so please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And if there are any suggestions that you want to give, so you can give in the comment section. So take care and Allah Hafiz.